Hello and welcome to Ticker Tapes. It's Wednesday, which means it's time for a look at the crypto space. The Chinese city of Shenzhen is about to undertake an experiment that could have far-reaching implications for monetary policy around the globe. Local authorities in the city, which has been subject to intermittent lockdowns under China's zero-tolerance COVID policy, are proposing to airdrop 30 million yuan, or $4.5 million, to the city's residents in the hopes of revitalizing consumer spending. To qualify for the funds, residents will need to log into China's largest food delivery app, Meituan Dianping, which is coordinating the airdrop with Shenzhen's governing bodies, and then sign up for the e-yuan lottery. If they are successful in the lottery draw, then digital currency will be shared with them via the app. It can then be spent or redeemed at more than 15,000 in-app merchants. The ability to target specific sections of the economy or groups of consumers with monetary stimulus is one of the main reasons that many central banks are experimenting with or investigating the use of their own digital currencies. Crypto exchange Binance has been awarded a second European license by regulators in Italy. The firm will open a branch in Milan, which will mark its second location on the continent after Paris. Binance has recently received approval from regulators in Bahrain and Dubai and is actively pursuing licenses in other jurisdictions as well. Kazakhstan's hopes of raising revenue from crypto miners seems to have backfired. The Kazakh government imposed energy surcharges on Bitcoin miners early this year to try and ensure energy stability within the ninth largest country in the world. Ministers had hoped to generate $1.5 billion of additional revenue from the surcharge, but in fact, they raised just $1.5 million in the first quarter of 2022, with many miners shutting up shop in the country rather than staying put and paying the higher charges. South Korean regulators are to investigate the collapse of the Terra Luna stablecoin. Reports suggest that investigators will look for evidence of international price manipulation that may have played a part in the demise of the stablecoin's ecosystem. The Financial and Securities Crime Investigation Team of the Seoul Prosecutor's Office will look for signs of intentional manipulation and consider whether Terra's tokens went through the correct listing process. The founder of Terra, cryptocurrency developer Do Kwon, is a South Korean national, though his company Terraform Labs is headquartered in Singapore. Kwon has recently launched the Phoenix One blockchain and the new Luna coin, which it's hoped will eventually come to replace the Terra stablecoin ecosystem. Crypto markets may have bottomed in the last week, with Bitcoin rallying by 7% in recent trade. However, it's still down by almost 32% year to date and a whopping 41.71% below its 6-month high of 48,180, which was posted in late November last year. Though it's also fair to say that Bitcoin is now trading some 21.6% above its recent low point of 25,919 that was posted in mid-May. Could that bounce and recent stability entice buyers back into the market?